In primary activities, we have discussed different commercial farming forms. Today, we are going to discuss about the two more commercial forms of farming. One is cooperative farming, another is collective farming. These two are one of the very important commercial form of farming. Cooperative farming is a kind of farming when a group of farmers in a village pool their land resources together by forming a cooperative society. Means the group of farmers form a cooperative society and they form this cooperative society for making their farming more efficient and more profitable. As in all the forms of commercial farming, main objective of farmer is to make the farming profitable. And for this purpose, in this, farmers are agreed to treat pool piece of land as one big farm. Because instead of working in small landholding, farmers work in one big farm together. For the purpose of cultivation, farmer purchase the necessary input for the collective cultivation and market the crops jointly to sell the product at the most profitable terms, which helps in processing of quality product at cheaper rate. In this, farmers try to avail all the inputs at cheaper rate and product to be at higher cost, right? For what they wanted to do cooperative society farming. This is originated cooperative farming originated centuries ago and has been successful in European countries like Belgium, Denmark and Italy. And India, cooperative farming have been most successful in south part of the country like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, where cotton cultivation, coffee cultivation have been one of the important commercial crop. In Europe, Denmark is one of the country where this farming have been most successful, where every farmer is the member of a cooperative society. There are many beneficial and the advantages of cooperative farming. Cooperative farming solves the problem of fragmentation of land holding. Because commercial crop, cash crop cannot be cultivated in fragmented land. So for a big farm, small farmers come together with their small patches of land and jointly they establish a big farm. In this, farmer have more money and resources because all the resources they are utilizing together. They exchange sometimes their resources to cultivate the land, and it also helps in the increase the per acre production of crop. Second, collective farming, which is also called communal farming. Collective farming is an agriculture cooperative in which member owner jointly engage in farming activities. Basic idea is based on social ownership of the means of production and collective labor. In this, for the production, they work together and they distribute their labor equally among each other. The process by which farmland is aggregated is called collectivization. In some countries, there have been state run and cooperative run variants where state government or some cooperative organizations are running collective farming. Collective farming is the model of kolkhoz. Kolkhoz is a place in Soviet Russia. Here it was introduced in erstwhile Soviet Union before 1990s. USSR was the name of today's Russia, and this was introduced to improve upon the efficiency of previous method of agriculture to boost agriculture production for self-sufficiency. And in this collective farming, yearly targets were set up by government, and produce was sold to the state at fixed prices. When target was set by the government, this much of production has to be done, and that produce was purchased by state government at some fixed price, and fixed amount distributed among the member. In collective farming, who are the member farmer, the contribution distributed equally, and this sold in the market. Farmers has to pay taxes on the farm product as well. They hire machinery. Member are paid according to the work, because in farming there are many type of work. So member person are paid according to work, and sometimes reward is given in cash or kind for exceptional work. So this is collective farming, which was began in Soviet Russia when it was erstwhile Soviet Union, right? Thank you.